Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So if you use a ChatGPT or due to any reason if you want to clear your chat in ChatGPT whatever you have searched, so in this video I will show you a very quick and simple way how can you clean your ChatGPT or clean your search history in ChatGPT. So I will show you in my mobile screen how to do that. So open ChatGPT and click on the top right. You can see the name is there. You just have to click on this one and you need to scroll down and you will see the option as data controls. You have to click on it. So if you will scroll down, you will see the option as delete all chats. So if you will click on confirm all those chat or the search that you have done in ChatGPT, it will be deleted permanently. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.